Alright, so DNA catback exhaust update. So I got the original exhaust off. The downpipe bolts were stuck on there, so I had to soak them in some WD-40 for a little bit and then popped them off. And I cut it at the rear axle so that I can slide out the muffler. But I cut it so that, you know, just in case in the future if I have to put it back on, I can. But these are the tips. I don't know, you can't really see them. This fucking phone sucks so bad. But the tips are pretty nice. Let's see if I can see. I made it to where it's kind of flush with the bumper. I was gonna take them, stick them out a little bit further. Guess just up to you, your preference. But they look nice. They're like chrome, shiny little exhaust tips. This is what I started doing after that, wrapping the roof. Kind of got sidetracked doing other stuff besides recording another video, but here's gonna be a cold start with the new exhaust, DNA motoring 3-inch catback exhaust. So I did take it for a ride, and it was pretty drony. Sounds great though. It sounds really, really nice. Makes it sound more aggressive for a little car. But I made sure there was no leaks. Everything went together like perfect. So I'm gonna give it some gas. It's pretty deep. Sounds great, dude. I took it for a spin up the street, and say around 4,000 RPMs. It got pretty drony, but when I had the windows up, I didn't really notice anything, or I didn't really notice it that bad. So sounds pretty good. I have a MagnaFlow muffler I was gonna put on this fucking car. I decided to go with this DNA motoring. Try it out, but so far it sounds really good. So yeah, so if you were on the fence about getting it, it sounds pretty nice. Would have my wife come out here and hold the damn phone for me, but she's kind of sick and tired of me fucking with this car. I started doing the wrap. It's coming out pretty good. And then we decided to go to Applebee's, so said I'll pick up on it tomorrow. Yep, 2017 Ford Fiesta ST, DNA motoring, 3-inch catback exhaust.